Hi, welcome back. Lesson 1.3, Self-Audit, Strengths, Weaknesses, Opportunities, Threats, SWOT. Lesson Objective. By the end of this lesson, learners will understand how to use SWOT analysis as a tool for personal growth. Identify their strengths and weaknesses honestly. Recognize external opportunities and threats that impact their goals. Create a personalized SWOT chart to guide their reformation journey. Class breakdown. Introduction, the power of self-audit. Imagine you're the manager of your own life. Before launching a big project, wouldn't you first review the available resources, the risks, and the possibilities? Key statement. A self-audit is not about judgment. It is about truth, and only when you see the truth about yourself can you build greatness. Understanding SWOT analysis. Definition. SWOT analysis is a structured method for assessing strengths, what you excel at, your advantages. Weaknesses, areas where you struggle or lack resources. Opportunities. External factors you can leverage to grow. Threats, external risks or challenges that could block your progress. Analogy. Think of your life as a startup business. SWOT helps you understand the business of you incorporated. Breaking down each component. Strengths. Talents, skills, habits, or resources you already have. Questions. What do people often praise me for? What comes naturally to me? What past achievements am I proud of? Examples: great communicator, disciplined, tech-savvy, empathetic. Weaknesses. Habits, attitudes, or limitations that hold you back. Questions. What tasks do I often procrastinate on? What skills do I lack that I need for my goals? Where have I failed repeatedly? Examples: poor time management, fear of public speaking, lack of consistency. Opportunities. External factors that can support your growth. Questions. What trends can I take advantage of? Who can mentor or support me? What doors are currently open for me? Examples. Online courses, growing industries, networking events, social media platforms. Threats. External risks or obstacles that may derail progress. Questions. What challenges in my environment could slow me down? Are there people or habits draining my energy? What financial or societal factors could hinder me? Examples: economic downturn, toxic environment, unhealthy relationships, digital distractions. Activity: building your personal SWOT chart. Step 1. Draw the grid. On paper, divide a page into 4 quadrants labeled strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Step 2. Guided brainstorm. Fill in each quadrant with at least 3 to 5 points. Play calming background music to encourage deep reflection. Connecting SWOT to self and time management. Strengths: leverage them daily. Use them to save time and gain confidence. Weaknesses: manage or improve. Either learn new skills or delegate. Opportunities: seize them. Align your schedule to take advantage of growth chances. Threats: prepare or protect. Set boundaries and strategies to reduce risk. Example. If your strength is strong communication and your opportunity is social media, you might start posting educational content consistently. Practical exercise, action step. Write down 1 action for each quadrant. Strength: I will use my writing skill to start a blog. Weakness: I will join a course on time management. Opportunity: I will apply for the mentorship program I saw online. Threat: I will cut my daily social media scrolling by 50%. Key takeaways. Self-audit through SWOT is a mirror that shows where you are now. Every strength and opportunity is a seed for greatness. Weaknesses and threats are not enemies but teachers. They point you to areas that need attention. Quote for reflection. The unexamined life is not worth living. Socrates. Homework assignment. Finalize your SWOT chart. Choose one weakness to work on this week and create a small daily action to address it. Journal your progress and challenges. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.